this is Ayaan. You are watching YouTube channel Ayaan Edulogy. Friends, today we will prove one more formula of a square plus b square, and that will be so much interesting. So watch this video till end. So let's start the video. So the formula is a square plus b square equals to a plus b to be whole square plus a minus b to be whole square upon 2. So now we are going to prove this by taking the LHS. The LHS is a square plus b square. Okay. Now यहाँ पे हमें denominator 2 लाना है. Means we have to divide 2. And it's the rule of mathematics that if we divide anything, then we should add. We don't have to add it. We have to multiply it. So I am just multiplying 2. Now this will be 2a square plus 2b square upon 2. That will be a square plus b square plus b square. हम लोग इसको ऐसे लिख सकते हैं because a square plus a square is 2a square and b square plus b square is 2b square. Okay, and divided by 2. Now we can write it as a square plus b square. This will be here and this will be here. Plus a square plus b square divided by 2. And now we have 2 plus b square. Subtract 2ab. Plus a square plus b square. And it's the rule of mathematics that if we subtract anything, then we should add it. So we have to add 2ab upon 2. Now a square plus b square minus 2ab has its factor formula divided by 2. Now a square plus b square minus 2ab has its factor formula a minus b to be whole square plus a plus b to be whole square upon 2. And I am erasing it. अब हम लोग इसको RHS से प्रूव करने वाले हैं. A plus b to be whole square plus a minus b to be whole square upon 2. now हम लोग इसको इसके आइडेंटिटीज फैक्टर एक्सपेंशन आइडेंटिटीज पे अगर इसको हम लोग फिक्स बैठा देंगे तो वी विल गेट द रिजल्ट एज a square plus b square एंड वही हमें प्रूफ करना है. सो इट्स a square plus 2ab plus b square plus a square minus 2ab plus b square. It's a square, not z. Okay, upon 2. Now 2ab and 2ab, it has its opposite sign minus and plus, so it will be cancelled. Now a square plus a b square plus a square plus b square upon 2. And it's a square. This will be here and this will be with this. So it's a plus a square plus b square upon 2. That is 2a square plus 2b square upon 2. And that is 2 will be common. A square plus b square upon 2. This will cancel. Then a square plus b square. Hence we have proved taking the RHS. Okay. And I hope कि आपको ये समझ आ गया होगा. Now we can write this as, it can be written as a plus b to be whole square plus a minus b to be whole square equals to 2 multiplied by a square plus b square. इसका प्रूफ जो है इट इज सेम एज दिस. तो आई होप कि आपको ये समझ आ गया होगा. तो मैं अब इस वीडियो को एंड कर रहा हूँ. अगर आप चैनल पे नए हैं तो सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल, लाइक दिस वीडियो और नोटिफिकेशन को ऑल पे प्रेस कर लें ताकि मेरा हर एक वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन आप तक पहुंच सके. नाउ वी विल मीट इन माय नेक्स्ट वीडियोस. तक के लिए टेक केयर ऑफ योर सेल्फ और दुआ में याद रखें। बाय।